Kind of wonder what year this one is. You guys know who it is? It's cool as hell. I totally dig it. I don't see anybody around to ask. I was gonna kind of hang out a little bit and see if someone comes out of the store or something, or if he's, I don't even know if they're using it as a bunk in this. There might be. Listen to it purr. To be honest with you, it almost sounds like it's got a 60 series in it. I can only imagine being alive at a time where all the trucks look like this. This one's got a big deck plate, gigantic fuel tanks. So if he's on TikTok, tag him. I like to know about the truck. It's pretty cool.